In every laugh, in every sigh, I feel you slipping, passing by. Fading memories like whispered dreams. Hold on tight, but they slip unseen. Colors dim like evening light, lost in time or out of sight.
Spring is finally here. My absolute favorite season. After this long, cold, and dark winter, Earth has come back to life again. And every year, I feel like I come back to life as well. There's no feeling like spring. All this energy of new beginnings, of renewal. In a way, like spring feels more like a new year and a new beginning to me than the actual new year. And I think in earlier times, or in other cultures, they used to celebrate the new year in spring because they felt the same way as I do. It feels more aligned with nature, you know what I mean? Like it feels more natural, it feels more like this is what it's supposed to be, like not just a random day in winter. It's a new year. Spring always feels more like a new year to me. And I get this boost of motivation and I want to do so many things. I'm so inspired and I'm ready for everything. And now that I finally finished my master thesis, I actually have time to enjoy spring. It's been almost a year or exactly a year since I moved into the space and it's still not where I want it to be. I've been expanding on it more and more. I bought furniture, I built the furniture. Let's see if it works, if it closes. Oh my god, it does. Oh, thank god it does. I got this cute little lamp. I'm in love with this tapestry. I love it so much. And just very recently, I got this couch or sofa. I think it's a sofa. I think couch would be missing one side, but never mind. Yeah, I recently got this sofa and I didn't really have time to finish it. Like obviously it's finished in building, but if you look at the tapestry, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with a pink, more like blush pink color, or with a green. And as you can see, I decided on green because I just thought that it might be too much if I added a blush couch here. But like this, it doesn't look colorful enough. Like it looks a little sad. And that's not what I want. So let's pep it up a little. That's one thing I want to do this spring. I want to get this couch. I want to get this area, this seating area, this relaxing area. I want to make it cozy and comfy and cute and colorful. And color is still missing here. Another thing for my, let's call it spring cleaning, what I want to do is obviously regular cleaning. It's very necessary. If I'm looking around here, I have been neglecting that a little bit while writing my thesis, but also this room still looks empty. I have this space where I not so long ago finally put on little shelves. That helps a lot. Like all my walls are pretty much empty, and on that wall over my, like above of my desk, I would like to make a little gallery wall with little paintings. I have collected a few frames, picture frames, like small ones and a very big one, a medium big one, and I want to put stuff, I want to put art on the wall. Ideally, I would like to paint them all myself, but that would be a lot of work, so I'm not quite sure how I want to do that, but I know that I want to do something, and I have this little area on my little cabinet where there's a space open, and I'd like to decorate that according to the season. So that's another thing that I want to do. And lastly, I have a new curtain that I want to hang up, because the other one, the old one, I inherited from my brother who lived here previously, and it's white and see-through and striped and a little boring. And I would like to have this as my flower room. I've already called it my flower room, mostly because of this tapestry, as well as the lamp, like the ceiling lamp that I put up. That has a flower design as well, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And obviously this lamp is a flower as well. So yeah, I want to make this my flower room. So that's what we'll be doing today as a little spring clean, or more like a spring decorating spree. So I finished these two. I especially love the sunflower one. Isn't it so cute? And I think with these two already, it looks a lot friendlier and a lot more fun and cozy and little whimsical and cute. And they're so soft. So I finished these, but I still have to finish one. And I have something prepared. These ones are the flower petals. I already finished them. And this pattern is by someone else than these ones. So I think when finishing this one, just by the size of the petals in comparison to this one, I think this pillow will be a lot bigger. Let's get to it.
Walking footsteps on the shore, ocean whisper and I implore. Seagulls call, they fly and soar, hand in hand forevermore. Golden sun, it starts to dip. Water glistens, waves they sip. Sand between our toes a grip. In your eyes, the world's a trip. Hold me close, the sky's a sight. Stars will soon adorn the night. Walking beach with you feels right. Endless love in twilight's light. Shells and rocks, a path we weave. Moon's reflection in reprieve. Night begins a gentle eve. With you I can just believe.
I'm almost done, and it is huge. Look at this. This is a lot bigger than the other ones, and yeah, I just need to finish. I need to stuff the middle part and then finish it. So let's do that.
Close, the sky's a sight. Stars will soon adorn the night. Walking beach with you feels right. Endless love in twilight's light. Shells and rocks, a path we weave. Moon's reflection in reprieve. Night begins a gentle eve. With you I can just believe. Listening hearts in rhythm beat. Tides in time, no rush or heat. World around us lulls its feet. Moments like these can't be beat. Hold me close, the sky's a sight. Stars will soon adorn the night. Walking beach with you feels right. Endless love in twilight's light. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and lasting